Hi, I'm Dr. Lydia here at Vibrant Life Direct Care to explain our Vibrant Facial for women and men. It's basically a platelet-rich plasma facial that is followed with microneedling. And I'm going to explain both of those concepts here in a minute. Indications to do this kind of a facial would be if you desire to have better texture, color, and improvement of wrinkles that you see on your face. Microneedling is an FDA-approved procedure for smoothing of fine wrinkles around the eyes, the mouth, and elsewhere on the face. What is microneedling in particular? So microneedling involves using a microneedling device which literally has tens of micro needles that penetrate at different depths into the skin based off of the operator's desired outcome and the texture of your skin beginning. It literally makes micro punctures into the skin at different depths to stimulate regeneration of the skin from the bottom up. We cause a little bit of micro trauma to stimulate the immune system and the body to regenerate the tissue is what we do. So how this is coupled with platelet-rich plasma in this facial is that we harness the power of our body's rejuvenating fluid, which is called plasma. If you're familiar with drawing your blood to take typical labs, the first step that we do in the laboratory is we separate out the red blood cells and the plasma, that we spin that down. What we do here at the office using our FDA-approved centrifuge is we take that plasma portion and we put it back in the machine and we spin it down a second time to concentrate as many growth factors and cells at the bottom so that we can draw the top portion off, discard it, take the bottom, reconstitute it, and that's what we're going to use across the face as our microneedling medium to go across the skin. So basically we apply a numbing cream to the face, let it set while we're drawing the blood and processing it. Then we come back, wipe that off, okay? And then we apply the plasma in small patches across the skin and we microneedle across that, okay? Causing small punctures that drive plasma into the skin so that it's like microneedling on steroids. That way you have plasma underneath the skin that's being stimulated, but also plasma that we're applying on the top and actually injecting it into the skin. It causes more rapid healing of the microneedling process, which when you leave is going to look like you've got a mild sunburn, okay? So what can you expect in the aftercare of a microneedling PRP facial? So when you leave, obviously you're more prone to a sunburn, so we want you to protect the skin. We don't want you to immediately apply makeup either because we put micro punctures into the skin, making it easy to readily absorb anything that you put topically on the skin. We want that plasma layer that we applied to stay there as long as it's comfortable for you to have it on, because the longer that it's on, the more it does its rejuvenating job. And then you just wash that off when you're ready, and the next day you'll be ready to apply makeup. And please wear sunscreen and a wide-brimmed hat if you're going to be outside. The rule of threes applies the same with this form of PRP treatment. So there's no volume being injected into the skin, so we don't really have to worry about swelling, but you'll start to see effects within 30 days and then again at 90 days. And that would actually continue for up to a year because we've stimulated growth. We do recommend that microneedling in particular be repeated at least another couple times because again it causes micro trauma which enhances regeneration. So it would be ideal to repeat this at 4 and 6 month intervals, not necessarily every time with plasma, but at least doing a plain microneedling procedure. So if you're interested in improving the color quality of your skin and reducing the visibility of fine lines and wrinkles, just give us a call. We'll do a free consultation and see what all rejuvenating procedures are best for you. Thanks.